Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video. Today I will be doing XLBI's Excel challenge number 713. It's something about splitting and stacking, which seems like an appropriate choice for a reduce function, but I will show you this in an instance. So here we are in a second. Or 2 seconds. Here we are. So, what is my idea behind it? I've used a reduce function where I hand out the row number. With this, I will get the data and the value accordingly. I split the data. I take a look at how many rows are in this data. I use a sequence function for this, multiplied with then the index of the value. So, therefore equal reduce. Initial value is in this case my header, so a HSTACK data. We can also use the whole array here. Let A, and then reduce, or reduce, and then take from array the first row. My array is then rows of, sequence of rows of A minus 1. Function is lambda a b. Now I want to VSTACK a to use here the map function of the reduce stuff, the map ability of the reduce function, but without the array of array problem. So VSTACK a, and then hit HSTACK index or TEXTSPLIT, or let's use here let, or we can use this. So let s is TEXTSPLIT index a, row number is b plus 1, column number is 1, row delimiter is a comma and a space, and then I want to HSTACK s and index a b plus 1 second column times sequence of rows of s. So my split thing. Now close everything. Okay, we have a ref error. Let's find out what the course is. VSTACK A should be fine. This TEXTSPLIT. Yeah, of course. Naming. Let's name this T for table, because I've used A here. That was my problem. But now it is as it should be. Yeah, this was a fast one. But here the most part is the reduce function, then with this text splitting stuff, and then a little bit of index, so nothing too special. Let's see how the other guys did it. Oh, it's also with reduce, but double reduce. Don't know if this is necessary. Offset, also good, but volatile. XLOOKUP, interesting. Regex extract, nothing too special here. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.